The 2025 Chevrolet Cavalier sedan is a testament to practicality, style, and efficiency, offering drivers a refined yet affordable vehicle designed for modern living. With a refreshed exterior, upgraded interior features, and a fuel-efficient powertrain, the Cavalier is a smart choice for those who want reliability without compromising on design or technology. Whether navigating city streets, embarking on a road trip, or commuting daily, this sedan delivers a comfortable and connected driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Cavalier is powered by a responsive and efficient four-cylinder engine, providing the perfect balance of power and fuel economy. Its lightweight design and well-tuned suspension contribute to a smooth and controlled ride, making it ideal for both urban and highway driving. The automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while precise steering enhances handling, allowing drivers to feel confident behind the wheel. Whether maneuvering through traffic or cruising on open roads, the Cavalier offers a dependable and engaging drive. The exterior of the new Cavalier is designed to turn heads with its bold yet refined styling. A sculpted front grille, sleek LED headlights, and dynamic body lines create a modern, aerodynamic look that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The sporty stance is complemented by stylish alloy wheels and a choice of contemporary color options, allowing drivers to express their personality. The overall design reflects Chevrolet's commitment to blending function with form, ensuring the Cavalier stands out in the compact sedan segment. Inside, the 2025 Cavalier offers a comfortable and driver-focused cabin with high-quality materials and thoughtful details. The spacious seating layout provides ample legroom for both front and rear passengers, making long drives more enjoyable. A large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration keeps drivers connected and entertained on the go. Advanced safety features, including lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking, add an extra layer of confidence. With a well-organized dashboard, intuitive controls, and a quiet cabin, the Cavalier provides a refined and relaxing atmosphere. Efficiency remains a standout feature of the Cavalier, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious drivers. The fuel-sipping engine is designed to maximize mileage while maintaining a lively driving experience. Whether commuting daily or taking longer trips, the Cavalier keeps fuel costs low without sacrificing performance. The 2025 Chevrolet Cavalier continues to deliver on its promise of reliability, style, and affordability. With its modern design, comfortable interior, and efficient performance, it remains a strong contender in the compact sedan market, offering drivers an enjoyable and economical ride.